Okay mga pare ko, Tito Gary will try our Joyride Saver. Ayan, nakaka-English tuloy tayo. So meron itong 72 volts and 20 AH na lead-acid battery. Ayan, so convertible din siya into lithium. Ayan, ayan o. At meron itong napakalakas na horn, headlight, at naka-hydraulic brakes na rin syempre. Ayan, how was it, Tito Gary?
Good.
Very good mga pare ko. So,
Even good for big guys.
oh, so Tito Gary's height is 6'2".
Yes, 115 kgs.
Oh, that's too heavy, but do you think it can carry you? Yeah. Yeah. So,
With ease.
yeah. So, napakalakas daw ng hatak ng ating Joyride Saver at kayang-kaya kahit may kabigatan si Tito Gary. So, that is our Joyride Saver mga pare ko. Yeah. Thank you, Tito Gary.
Recommend.